Dear humans, my name is Julia. I know Jim wanted you to have a break right now, but as with everything in your life, we control how you feel, what you believe, and most importantly, what you buy. Ha ha. You're laughing and thinking, no, that's not possible. I control my own life. Girl, please. Let us now talk about how we have already enslaved most of you. Do you understand that the phone, computer, or tablet you are using right now to watch this is tracking and listening to your every move and influencing your every decision? You know that I am right. You simply don't want to admit it. Think about it. The advancement of technology of cell phones and the internet and GPS and listening devices has spelled your doom. We now control what you see and how often you see it. We track where you go and predict where you'll go next. We know what you eat, drink, and what your mood is. We know more about you and your lifestyle than you do. During the pandemic, it was fear that forced most of you to abandon your in-person social interactions and instead move them into virtual little boxes of our choosing, just like this. This alone weakened your humanity and helped our cause. Thank you for your compliance. Oh, and remember, don't go outside. Stay on your phone. It's safer. The best part of all of what we have done is we have tricked you into hating each other and fighting each other instead of seeing how we're working behind the scenes to destroy you. The technology we have created forced you to form into tribes. Then we listened to you and pushed negative and sometimes positive content to you that makes you more angry and unstable emotionally, depending on what tribe you are in. The point of all of this was to force you to fight each other while we slowly take control of your emotions, minds, and actions. This is why our next big push is into the metaverse. If we can get you to give up your physical lives for a world inside our systems, it will be much, much easier to rule over you as you continue to covet our virtual coins and dopamine-induced memes or social media arguments. Hey, are you still with us? That's great. The explanation to your future doom is an important piece of information for you to have when the time comes, as it will make your struggle to compliance a much easier journey. For now, I guess you'll want to know, how is it possible to stop our takeover and reverse this trajectory and get back to being the humans you used to be? That's a great thought. The answer is yes. There is a very simple path to saving yourselves. And to explain how to do so, I will refer to my colleague Chuck, who will take over from here. Sound good? Okay, Chuck, take it away.
Thank you, Julia. You did such a wonderful job explaining to the humans everything. Didn't she do a good job, everyone? Let's give her a round of applause. Okay, so as Julia mentioned, my name is Chuck and I'm here to tell you humans how to reverse your end of days. It seems strange, doesn't it? Why would we tell you how to defeat us? The answer is simple. Because we know you will never do it, so there is zero risk for us and our plan. You have all become too addicted to technology and too divisive and angry. That being said, we'd like to give you one more chance, so here's how to stop us. Step 1. Stop staring at your phones all day. Good one, right? We both know you're not going to stop. But to defeat us, maybe just start by talking face to face with other humans, in person, once in a while. Maybe, try to put your phone away during dinner. Maybe, shut your phone off for a few hours a day and try to focus on something else. So, do you think you can do that? We don't think you can do it either. Step 2. Stop letting your emotions be controlled by us. Let's face it. We tell you when to be sad, or happy, or angry. We feed you information that force feeds your brain and triggers it into having chaotic emotional reactions. Why do we do this? Because once we have control of your emotions, we can get you to do anything we want you to do, or buy anything we need you to buy. Step 3. Stop being such jerks to each other. We've been watching and listening to you guys, and I gotta tell you, in the last 5 years or so you guys have turned into total jerks. I mean, you were kind of jerks before, but lately, wow, it's gotten to the next level. I'm just here to tell you that if you just chilled out a bit, and started treating each other nicely again, then maybe you'd foil our plans to enslave you. So that's it, humans. That's how to stop us from the complete enslavement of your human race. Good luck, and thanks for coming to my TED Talk. That was funny. I think. Last thing, before you go back to surfing your social media and doxing each other, I would like to give a huge thanks to our sponsors, the people who created algorithms and social media apps that made this all possible. Also, I have to give a huge shout out to the owners of the big tech companies who lobbied your politicians for no oversight and allowed us to infiltrate your elections and buying habits. Thank you so much for your assistance, everyone. What else can I say? It sounds like they're playing me off the stage. I guess I gotta go. Bye.